Miami Summer Piano Moving Guide 2024. Protect your instrument. Looking to move your piano this summer? Moving a piano is a delicate and laborious task under any circumstances, but when the scorching Miami summer heat enters the picture, the difficulty level rises. The challenges of summer piano moving. Moving a piano in Miami's summer heat presents many challenges that require careful thought and planning. Even under the best of circumstances, pianos can be difficult to move safely because they are fragile and heavy instruments. Expert tips for safe piano moving in Miami's summer heat. Make sure your piano is ready for transportation the day before you move. Plan your route carefully before moving your piano to work around the weather and any obstacles. Why choose professional piano movers? Experienced piano movers have the knowledge and experience necessary to safely and effectively meet the challenges of piano moving. When choosing experts for your move, you feel comfortable knowing your piano is in good hands. Moving a piano takes careful planning, preparation, and experience to assure that your piano stays safe during the hot summer heat in Miami. Entrust your expensive instrument to professionals who will handle your piano relocation with precision and care. Get more tips and free moving quote on our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.